And today I'm going to be showing you how to use this cabinet hardware jig. That's right, we're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you what all comes with it, and then I'm going to give you a brief example on how to use it. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the case that the hardware jig comes in. I have a few things right here that we're going to use. This is going to be our cabinet front or our drawer front, because this is used for mounting handles and pulls on drawers and cabinets. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And right inside you can see you get a drill bit with some hardware and a couple Allen wrenches for setting this up. You're going to get all these nice aluminum pieces for the jig, and we are going to assemble it in just a moment so you can see how it all goes together. And you're also going to get a center punch. Very, very cool. Okay, so to get started, we're going to slide this through this piece right here, just like so, and you can use this little set screw right here. Okay, now that we have that through, then we're going to take this ruler and we're going to slide it through right here, and then we're going to install one of these on this side and one of these on this side. And then this last piece right here can go on one side or the other. I'm just going to put it on this side. You can put it on either side depending on how you need to use it. And then that's pretty much the full assembly for this. I'm going to set this on top of the box to give us a little bit more room so you can see how this works. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to align this, and I'm going to start my measurement marks right here on the end of the board. And then we're going to lock this measurement in, because if I was doing many of these, then basically I'm just setting up my template for doing many drawers, and I can get it all aligned and set up on the first drawer and then move to multiple drawers. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to want to find basically the center of this board. Okay, so we can use this little ruler to measure this board, and I know that this board is 5.5 inches or 14 centimeters. So then what I'll do is I'll just slide this to 7 millimeters or 2.5 inches, and we're going to lock it in place. And now, if you know, sometimes you want the drawer handle or pull not dead center, you want it slightly up or whatever, that's fine. You can set it however you want. I'm just showing you this for this demonstration. And then what we're going to do is, now that we have found the center this way, and so now we need to find our center this way, and the way this is set up is the ruler starts right here in the middle. So we're going to loosen these up, and we're going to put this dead center and then lock it in, because now we're in the middle of this bar. And then what we can do is look at our measurements on both sides and make sure that we're centered side to side. And so we have 14 centimeters on this side and 14 on this side, so we know that we're centered that way. So we'll lock down these little screws right here, and we'll slide this over and we'll lock this in, because now we can pick this off and put it on every single drawer and have the exact same measurement every single time to find the center. And if you were actually putting in just a single pull, then this is your location right here. You could just mark this just like so and drill it, or you can just actually drill straight through it if you want to. But we're going to be installing this handle, and that's what these handy dandy little spikes come in, because you need to know where these holes are. So you just put this on and you put the holes up into your hardware that you're mounting. Then we're going to slide this, and we're going to, since this is our center mark, we're going to make sure that these are also on the same measurement on both sides. And it looks like it's going to be about 4.5 or about 4 3/4, almost 5 centimeters, just under 2 inches on both sides. And then we can lock these in just like that. And now we know that these are our holes that we're going to drill through. These pins are used for aligning, and then you can mark and drill here, which we will go ahead and mark these. Make sure you keep everything nice and flush. We'll mark that one, We'll mark that one. We remove this, and you can see where our pull handles will go. So we're just going to go ahead and drill this out. Install our hardware. And they do give you a drill bit as well. I'm using my own, but in the kit they do give you the drill bit that you need. Then all you have to do is you put your handle on and attach your screws. And if you're doing 1 drawer or 100 drawers, it's going to be perfect every single time. How cool is that? So if you have cabinet hardware to install, or if you're a professional, a DIYer, and you just want to get the job done right, I highly recommend this tool. It's extremely sturdy. It's made out of all aluminum. It comes with everything you need, and it's going to give you the professional result that you desire with your cabinets and your drawers. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.